Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a very special model of BBR Ferrari SF90 Stradale. It's in 1/18 scale and I've been waiting for this model for quite a long time, but getting this model was easy, but getting it to me was a bit tricky part, and it went through some damages from our country custom people, but not big damages, but small minor damages which were fixable. But the main problem was that the glass was missing, the protected glass on the box, the epoxy glass was missing, is missing basically. But anyways, it's a BBR model, as you can see, in red box with the logos and 118. Over here we have a description of the BBR model. It's a SF90 Stradale with yellow and black roof, Giallo Modena color with black roof. Really a nice model. Let's bring it out. And there it is. As you can see, we have the fabric, but the top glass is missing, but the model is intact. There was few damages with the base and few minor small damage with the model, as the side mirror was broken, but had to fix it. Shame on our custom department over here in Pakistan, but it is intact. The other model which I bought with this model was totally a big loss, but it also recovered. I had to fix it, give few hours to it, but there are some damages on that which I will be discussing on the next video of that model. But today is the day of Ferrari, so let's bring it out from the box and go in detail with the model and what it is and how it looks. Yeah, so here it is in Giallo Modena color, yellow with the black roof. I hope I'm pronouncing the paint color properly. But anyhow, as you can see, this model, it's really a beautiful model from head to toe. It's one of its kind. Looking at the front splitter, yellow, and the bottom, it's all carbon fiber, and then there are the small air vents over here as well. And the light shape, the shape of the light is really unique and outstanding, with small markings of the sensors. Parking sensors are there as well. The Ferrari logo in front, of course, and the huge curves on the bonnet, as you can see. They are for the air dynamics. Really cool. The air goes from here. The grills are there as well. Nicely placed grills on this model, and really a cool model actually. The carbon fiber quality, as always, BBR is one of its kind. They produce really good carbon fiber bodies, texture work on the models. Talking about the wheels, the diamond cut wheels with black and silver and red brake caliper really suits with the color combination of this model. Red calipers, yellow exterior with black roof. Really like the wheels of this model. I really like it. And talking about the base first, it was damaged from here as well and on this side as well, but was fixable. As always, BBR sign on the base, and then SF90 Stradale monogram on the side, and then Ferrari sign over here, as you can see. And it's a limited edition to 149 pieces. This is 138. Really cool model. And as As you can see, the work on this model is really cool. The quality detail, the paint quality is really outstanding, as always, by BBR. Talking about the wheels, they are really nice, cool looking wheels. Then the shape of the mirror, side mirrors, is very unique and new to it on the Ferrari designs. Then the splitter over here as well, it's all carbon fiber. Even the air intake over here is carbon fiber as well, textured with black roof and a small windbreak over here. Yeah, all the curves and shapes are really aerodynamic on this model. Really cool stuff going on with the model. The quality of wipers is really good, and the plastic used for the glass is good as well in the quality. Moving back, really a aggressive back, really love it. The diffuser with the wings, all carbon textured over here and here, and two exhaust really looking out standing, and the lights, the tail lights, new design, really cool feature. And there's a air vent over here as well, and on this side as well, for the air coming through the wheels, back wheels, and coming out from here. Really cool. Look at the diffuser from, it's huge. Really aggressive back end of SF90. Talking about the engine bay, it has two tanks, I think, both on this side, and then so many air dynamics going on over here. Small window for the engine bay to have a look, and then there is a spoiler over here which comes out on real car, not in this model. And moving further, there are so many small details going on in this model. Really like these carbon fiber textures running on this model. And moving towards the interior, as you can see, it's black with red stripes matching the brake calipers, as you can see. Really a cool model with good interior. I mean, it's sealed and cannot show you much in there, but it's really cool looking interior. There you go. Really a nice interior, black, all black with red stripes inside there. Really like the area of this interior dashboard. Really 3D work going on over here. Gaps, and really makes it looks nice. I really like these kind of stuffs in the car. Really cool model. Looking from this end, it's very dark. I mean, can't show you properly, hopefully. But overall, the model is really cool. Really love the back end, very aggressive end on the back. Ferrari horse logo, and then there's a Ferrari monogram over here as well. Really cool stuff going on with this car. Really a great model. I was looking for red, but then somehow yellow came in front of me and really made me think of buying in yellow. I mean, Giallo Modena with black roof. Very difficult words they make to pronounce other than Italians. So this is it. So guys, give me your reviews about the model, comments. What do you think about this model? really a cool model or not? I like it. What do you guys say? I really like the color as well. Never been disappointed with this stuff. Really cool. It's another yellow model in my collection this year. First one was Ferrari as well, and this one is another one. So guys, give me your comments and about this model and my review, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And next video will be coming soon, so stay tuned and take care. God bless you. Bye.